I want to commend firstly, the IG for acting swiftly to maintain peace, because exactly this is their main aim and objectives, is to maintain peace and order in every situation. And I want to commend him for acting swift to take over the councils to avoid this anarchy that may have before the state. So we want this peace to continue until we have the verdict from the courts.
All right. Persons that the police is facing some criticisms, some backlash for this action. So persons have said the police is acting out a script, so therefore they should leave and give our workers access to their secretariats for work to go on. What's your reaction to that?
Yes, they are acting on ignorance, because the primary aim of the police itself is to maintain peace and order and save lives, and that is their primary aims. The whole federation, it's not enough to defend for River State.
Some are saying the police is right to be here.
They are very right to be here. There must be relative peace before we can talk about anything. Life is more important, and the IG has acted swiftly, and that is what we want.
We're here to make peace and order. We want peace in our state. We want peace in our LGAs. We have come to tell the police to stay until court decides what happened next.
Why exactly do you want the police to stay until the court takes the final decision?
We don't want that, like what happened in Omoma. We don't want it to happen in our place. Yes.
But there are persons who have come out to say that the police needs to vacate the premises to give their workers access and so on and so forth. The police is under pressure to end its barricade of the council secretariat across the state. Don't you think the police should listen to them?
No, we don't want that. That is why we are here. We don't want the police to vacate. We want them to stay, because police is there to make us to have peace and to secure our properties also. So we want them to stay. We the women have come to say that police should stay until court decides.